Money won't matter in 2036. That single statement from Elon Musk shocked millions of people. Headlines exploded. Social media lit up. Some called it brilliant. Others called it ridiculous. But almost everyone asked the same question. What did he really mean? Did Elon Musk actually predict the end of money? Or was he describing something much bigger? A future where artificial intelligence changes the way our entire economy works. Because this isn't really a story about money. It's a story about technology, about robots, about artificial intelligence, and about one question that could affect every person on Earth. What happens when machines can do almost every job better, faster, and cheaper than humans? For centuries, money has been built on one simple idea. Human work creates value. We build, we produce, we earn, we spend. That cycle has powered civilization for thousands of years. But Elon Musk believes that cycle may be about to change forever. Not because money disappears, but because artificial intelligence could make production so efficient. That scarcity itself begins to disappear. It sounds impossible until you look at what is already happening. AI is writing software, creating videos, designing products, assisting doctors, accelerating scientific research. Robots are becoming smarter every year. Self-driving technology continues to improve, and companies around the world are investing hundreds of billions of dollars to make this future a reality. So, was Elon Musk making another impossible prediction? Or are we already watching the beginning of the biggest economic transformation in human history?